Coming up today, how to change your Fortnite name. Keep watching and find out how you can do that. What's up guys, welcome back to another video on how to digital. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Fortnite. Let's get started right away. Now for this, you need to be using a mobile or desktop device, so you don't need your console, and you want to go to Google and search for Epic Games, which is the company behind Fortnite. You want to go to their website epicgames.com, which I'll do right now. Then you'll end up on this website and you can sign into your account. Now as you guys can see right there, I'm already signed in. So if I just click on sign out real quick, I'll show you what it looks like if you're not signed in yet. So you'll pretty much go to the website and then let's just wait. They're just logging me out. And there you go. So this is the website. If you're not signed in, right there at the top right corner, you'll see the sign in option. Click on it, then enter your email address and your password. If you don't know your password, if you forgot it, you can click on forgot your password right there. But I'll just sign in right now. Let's put in my email address and then my password. And then you want to sign into your account. And there we go. So once you're signed in, you want to click on your username and you want to click on account, which is the first option. That will send you over to your personal details, where right there you'll see display name. You want to click on this edit icon, and then right there you can come up with a new display name. So I'll just put in like my channel name, how to digital, then click right there, click confirm. Okay, so that's already taken. Let's put 98 behind it, confirm. There you go, display name updated. And that's pretty much how to do this. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, let me know in the comments if you're going to use this and if it works, and then I'll see you next time. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.